What up guys, Gadget Pinoy here. A big shout out to Keep High Five for sending one of their IEMs to review, the KB Ear KB02. So here we go. So let's take a closer look of this one. So the box is very small and all the important informations, including the features of the IEMs, is already here on the box. And at the back, you will find the specs such as the brand, the model, sensitivity, and so much more. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's try to open the box. When you open the box, you will see this very nice logo here. And the side, there's nothing here. And at the back as well, there's nothing. So let's try to open it. So inside the box, you will see your IEMs and a small little box included here. Let's try to pull this one out. So this box here, inside of this box, you will find your cable. All right. You will find your user manual guide. This is your manual guide. You have your warranty card, QR codes here included if you want to contact the company, and then some bunch of ear tips included. So there's different kind of sizes here. There's small, there's medium, and there's large. Silicone ear tips included. There's foam as well. And basically what's inside of the box, small box here, are these ones. However, the downside is that it doesn't come with a carrying case, so you'll need to buy one separately if you want to store your IEMs. So let's take a closer look at this KB02 IEM. Actually, it's a dynamic driver, which means it should be loud and it gives us some deep bass. And the sound should be more natural, more warmer, and more fuller. I like that because if I listen to live session, I should hear the vocals clearly and those micro details like breathing or instrumental sound in the background. And as you can see here, the materials they use is a ration shell, which is pretty good for this kind of IEM. And the reason for that is ration shell are lightweight. You won't get tired wearing them for a long period of time. And usually the shape of this IEMs fits all kind of ears, just like some other custom IEMs. And it's also durable as well. It feels high-end and it looks aesthetics, and you can see how glossy is this one, and the design is beautiful, very beautiful. So the frequency response is around 20 to 20,000 kilohertz, which is ideal for human hearing because it covers the entire audible spectrum. We have a detachable cable here, and it is a 2-pin design, which is very nice because if you have a problem with your cable, you don't need to buy the whole IEMs. You can simply replace the cable or you can upgrade it to the higher quality one. Also, this cable has no mic. As you can see, there's no mic here. But if you want to buy a cable with a mic, you can do that too. And by the way, it is a 3.5 millimeter connector, which is I can connect to my phone because most of the phone nowadays are Type-C connector. So you have to buy a 3.5 to Type-C adapter to it. So let's get to what matters most, the sound. I'm going to break down the frequencies and do some music testing. So let's start. As I hear, the bass is not too boomy. I tried the song Limit to Love by James Blake, which is good for testing your bass. And for the mids, I can hear the loudness of the instruments and the vocals are clear. I can also pick up on those small details in the background. And in the highs, the treble is clear, but it hurts my ears a little, possibly because the vocals are too loud. And if I listen to it for like a minute or so, my ears will explode. I can't handle those frequencies. The soundstage is wide and immersive. As for imaging, I can hear the placements of all the instruments and those small details sound. And in terms of isolation or noise isolation, I would say it blocks out all surrounding sound once you put it on. When listen to music, I cannot hear people talking, even if we are 2 meters away. However, one thing I notice is the sound leak, and I can feel the vibration of the IEMs, especially when I take it and touch it, I can feel those vibrations. And if someone's sitting beside me, they can definitely hear my music. And also, I tried it for gaming as well. The accuracy of footsteps is impressive. I can hear them clearly when the enemy is closer to me, which is great. The sound effects are also loud and immersive. I use it with both laptop and my phone, but if you have a DAC or amplifier, it will significantly enhance the sound quality. So that is my review of the KB02. If you like this IM, you can buy it in the link in the description below, and I'll see you again for the next one. Peace out, everybody.